Selling on Shopify? Want to manage international visibility by geo-targeting? Our Advanced Store Localization app will make it a breeze. Attract more customers by making your shop cater to the buyer's region. Our app allows you to control which countries see your products, auto-select region's currency, show or hide region-specific page content and sections, automatically changes contact details on your pages based on the visitor's region, forward your shoppers to pages relevant to their regions, redirect a visitor to your regional domains or stores, execute custom JavaScript code. Your shoppers only see the products that are available for their regions. Hide menu items your visitors shouldn't see. Our app is privacy-friendly and doesn't use any cookies for your visitors. Our app is easy to use. Sign up for a risk-free 7-day trial now. Make your shop more visitor-friendly for repeat business. Sign up link in the description.